Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, we are going to understand why IPSec Aggressive Mode is considered less secure than main mode. We will learn what identity means in IPSec, how both modes exchange information, what data becomes visible during the negotiation process, how offline dictionary attacks work, and why most modern VPN deployments avoid aggressive mode whenever possible. In the previous video, we learned how IKEv1 creates a secure relationship between two VPN peers. Now let's understand why one phase 1 method provides better protection than the other. Aggressive mode was introduced to reduce the number of messages required during IKE phase 1. Instead of using 6 messages like main mode, it completes the process in only 3. Because fewer packets are exchanged, the tunnel can be established more quickly. At first glance, this seems like a great advantage. Faster tunnel establishment means less delay and a simpler negotiation process. However, this speed comes with a security trade-off. Before we discuss the security concern, let's first understand what identity means in IPSec. When two VPN peers want to establish a tunnel, each device needs to tell the other device who it is. This information is called an identity. An identity can be an IP address, host name, fully qualified domain name, FQDN, email style identifier, group name, or username, depending on the VPN configuration. Think of it like entering a secure office building. Before you are allowed inside, you must tell the security guard who you are by showing an ID card. Similarly, VPN peers exchange identity information so they can recognize and authenticate each other. Now let's see how main mode and aggressive mode handle this identity information. In main mode, the peers first perform the initial negotiation and create a protected channel. Once encryption is available, identity information is exchanged securely. Anyone capturing packets can see that communication is happening, but they cannot easily determine who the participants are. Aggressive mode works differently. To reduce the number of messages, identity information is exchanged much earlier in the process, before full protection is established. As a result, someone monitoring the network may be able to see information about the VPN peer's identity. Imagine a company VPN gateway identifies itself as vpn.company.com. If an attacker captures an aggressive mode exchange, they may learn that this VPN gateway exists and is accepting VPN connections. You can think of this like introducing yourself loudly in a crowded room before entering a private meeting area. Everyone nearby can hear who you are. This exposure gives attackers useful information. Instead of searching blindly for VPN targets, they can immediately identify devices participating in VPN negotiations. The second security concern involves offline dictionary attacks. Many VPN deployments use a pre-shared key, commonly known as a PSK. A common misunderstanding is that aggressive mode sends this password across the network. That is not true. The actual pre-shared key is never transmitted in the packets. Instead, both VPN peers use the pre-shared key together with information exchanged during the negotiation to create authentication values. These authentication values prove that both sides know the same secret. The problem is that aggressive mode exposes enough information for an attacker to capture these authentication values and later test password guesses on their own system. The attacker does not decrypt the password from the packets. Instead, they make a password guess, perform the same authentication calculation, and compare the result with the captured authentication value. If the values do not match, the password guess is wrong. If the values match, the attacker has found the correct pre-shared key. This process can be repeated thousands or even millions of times without contacting the VPN gateway again. Because the attack happens entirely on the attacker's own computer, the VPN device cannot detect or stop these password attempts. This is known as an offline dictionary attack. If the pre-shared key is weak, common, or easy to guess, the attacker has a better chance of discovering it. Main mode provides stronger protection because identity information remains hidden until encryption is established. This makes reconnaissance more difficult and reduces the amount of useful information available to attackers. This does not mean aggressive mode is completely unsafe. Many older VPN deployments used it successfully, especially when remote users had dynamic IP addresses and needed a faster connection process. However, security requirements have increased significantly over time. Today, network administrators generally prefer main mode when using IKEv1. Even better, many organizations have migrated to IKEv2, which provides stronger security, improved efficiency, and modern capabilities. So the key takeaway is simple. Aggressive mode is faster because it uses only 3 messages instead of 6. However, that speed comes at the cost of exposing identity information earlier and making offline password attacks easier. Main mode requires more exchanges, but it protects identity information by establishing encryption before identities are shared. In networking, faster is not always safer. Aggressive mode prioritizes speed, while main mode prioritizes security. Thanks for watching this video. You can reach us through Instagram and Telegram for network interview guidance and mock interview scheduling. See you in the next video. Happy learning!